Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to localize the build number, so let's first of all try to open software information. I believe that the build number will be right there. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter the password or the screen lock to confirm, and as you can see we've got this information that the developer options has been turned on. So now we can move to this left section and scroll down, because as you can see the developer options will appear right under the About Tablet. So let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see we've got really a lot of options to choose from to personalize. So for example you can change the contrast, you can set the standard which is currently applied, medium or high. Simply tap on the option and tap on done. It will be applied, at least it should be applied. So this is how it works. Basically it works just like in the regular options. You can change the surface updates. I mean, you can show surface updates, show pointer location. Here you've got some options which are connected with the networking, etc. You can also simply tap on the switcher to activate the option. It will be immediately applied, and you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just like in the contrast option, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can quickly turn them off just by tapping on this switcher, which is pinned to the kind of top of the screen. And after tapping on it, most of the options will be inactive. And after turning the settings completely in the resets, you can see that it will simply disappear from the list on the left. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.